Construction Engineering Design Team 10 Galaxy SOHO Week 1 Being crowned as the queen of covers of her fluid, fun and dynamic buildings, Zaha Hadid was the first female British architect to receive the Pulitzer Architecture Prize in 2004, third-line prize in 2010 and 2011, and was given the title of Dame by Queen Elizabeth II for her contributions to architecture. Her projects can be found in skylines all over the world, such as the London Ecotech Centre in the United Kingdom, the Maxi Museum in Italy. Today I will presentation her iconic international work, the building Galaxy SOHO in China. The Beijing Galaxy SOHO was designed by Zaha Hadid with Petra Schumacher, and started its construction in 2009 to become an integral part of the living city in Beijing. This urban shopping mall covers a plot area of 46,965 and has 4 towers that cater for both office and retail purposes. The complex tunnel structure has 18 floors, reaching a maximum height of 67 meters. After completing its construction in 2012, Beijing Galaxy SOHO has a total floor area of 372,857 and is the largest shopping mall in Beijing.
I mean, the idea is to kind of really make a site which is very layered. It's like a valley with a stream, and I like all the bridges and the connections. And when you drive through, you can see above the things are happening above you, the things happening below you. So it's like, you are there, are also immersed into that space.
Zaha Hadid Architecture describes the Beijing Galaxy SOHO building as having 4 down volumes close together by bridge and complex forms, thus creating a fluid and dynamic world of continuous open spaces within the complex. The extensive structure achieves the idea of fluidity as its 4 main wings fuse seamlessly with each other by a winding shape corner and sudden change in space. The Galaxy SOHO project in central Beijing of SOHO China is an office, retail, and entertainment complex that will become an integral part of the living city. Inspired by the Grand Circle of Beijing, its architecture is a composition of 5 continuous, following volumes that are set apart, fused or linked by structured bridge.
beams adapt to each other in all directions, generating a panoramic architecture without corners or abrupt transitions that break the fluidity of its formal composition.
The greatest interior cuts of the project are a reflection of traditional Chinese architecture, where kayak we create an internal world of continued open space. The architecture is no longer composed of rigid blocks, but instead comprised of volumes which coalesce to craft a wall of continuous material, adaptation and fluid flow moments between each building. Shifting plateaus within the design impact upon each other to generate a deep sense of immersion and development. As users enter deeper into the building, they discover intimate spaces that follow the same coherent formal logic of continuous curvilinear return. Chahadi described the structure as a reinvention of the classical Chinese kaya which generates an immersive, enveloping experience at the heart of Beijing.
They are slightly different, but they read as one entity. I think it's also very important.
In the future, our group plans to learn more about the choice of building material, the construction process, and the elements of green and sustainable development. And we hope that on the premise of feasibility, we can propose some improvement plan for a green and sustainable development of the building.